Okay, and I did go to, because I saw that online, and I did go to the breaker, turn it on, turn it back off, but, or turn it off, turn it back on, but yeah.
All right, customer complaint, refrigerator's not cooling, no lights are on. So I'm gonna check it out. Oh, so when did it go out? Yesterday?
Literally went out the day before yesterday.
Okay, because I see the food in the freezer still frozen.
Yeah.
There's something going on here. None of these. She's still working. All right, so we got power. Let's see, we got lights. We got lights. Compressor's running. Jackpot. Another grade A appliance repair.
I mean, but does that mess up my warranty?
No, just once you get a new refrigerator telling you about a new one and you can put it on there. Okay. So we got lights, so now it just gotta cool back off. We can already feel that it's already cooling. So we're good to go.